Welcome to Horizon FX. Today we are going to show you how to log in to Horizon FX account. First of all, you have to search Horizon FX. Now you can see Sign Up option on the top right corner. Fill your details. Accept terms and condition, click on Open Account. Now, open your mail. Click on Verification link. Now enter mail and password. After that, you will receive OTP in your mail. Click on Open Live Account. Congratulations, you are now logged in. Now, we are going to tell you how to connect MT5 with Horizon FX server. You can locate MT5 in Trading section on menu page. After that, scroll down to download MT5 section. Then run Download Launcher, follow instructions until it downloads. Once install, MT5 will automatically run. Now you will need to log in to MT5 with your Horizon FX trading account. Click File and select Open an account. Select Horizon FX. Click Next. Select Connect with an existing account, and then enter your trading account credentials. Under Login, put your Horizon FX account number. For password, enter your trading account password. Choose your trading account server from the drop-down menu. Your trading account server can be found in your personal mail. Click Finish once you fill credentials in. Congratulations, you are now logged into MT5. Thank you for choosing Horizon FX.